Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Baglambas and you are watching Mishi the World of Craft. And today is 14th of August, so happy Independence Day to everyone. I wish my country to prosperous and be very happy, healthy, and everyone should be patriotic towards their country. And I wish all of you to have a very good happy life in your own country. The people who are out of country, like they are not in Pakistan and they are Pakistani, I also wish them with all my heart and soul happy Independence Day. So let's get to the video. This is the video about my hooks collection, but I must say that giant hooks collection. The collection of the hook that you have seen previously was all that I had, from very thin one to I think 10 or 8 mm hook. Now over here I have 15 mm hook. Look at the plastic and the bubbles in it. Can you see? It looks so beautiful and so nice. And this is 18 mm. I had 15 mm, 18 mm, and these are the wooden hooks. These are again the two giant wooden hooks, that is 20 mm and 25 mm. And my children also like to play with them. Let's see what I'm going to do with this. But these are one of the very beautiful collection in my addition in my collection. These are the very beautiful addition in my hooks collection. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found it interesting. And my interest towards crochet, as you all know, is so much that I keep on adding something new to my crochet collections. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.